So it says here, existing law requires that any person who manufactures more than 3 firearms in a year to be licensed by the state as a manufacturer. But now the bill has changed that to say this bill would instead require anybody who uses a 3D printer or CNC milling machine to manufacture a firearm to be a licensed manufacturer. So they got rid of the whole 3 thing, and now if you even want to make 1, you have to be a licensed manufacturer in the state of California. But it doesn't stop there.